Chapter 5. The keyboard inside the chapter. Computer keyboard. Alphabet keys, numeric keys, function keys, arrow keys, delete, backspace and enter keys, spacebar, tab key and caps lock key, special keys, computer keyboard. Keyboard is one of the main parts of computer. It is an input device which is used to enter data into the computer. The data is entered by pressing keys on the keyboard. A standard keyboard has 104 keys on it. Keys are categorized as alphabet keys, numeric keys, special keys and function keys. Alphabet keys are the keys which contains alphabets or letters on it from A to Z. There are 26 alphabet keys on the keyboard. They are arranged in the QWERTY format. Using these keys, we can type letters, words, and sentences. Numeric keys. Numeric keys are the keys which contains numbers from 0 to 9 on it. There are 10 numeric keys on the keyboard. These keys are placed above the alphabet keys and below the function keys. Numeric keys are available at two places on the keyboard. One above the alphabet keys in the form of single line. One is on the right side in the form of numeric pad. They are used when large amount of data is to be entered. Function keys are present at the top of the keyboard in a single line. There are 12 function keys from F1 to F12. Each function key performs a different function depending on the application in use. For example, F1 is normally used as a help key and F5 is used to run a program in most of the applications. Arrow keys. There are 4 arrow keys on the keyboard which is used to move the cursor on the screen. A cursor is a small blinking line from where you can start typing. These keys are arranged as shown in the figure. Up arrow key. This key is used to move the cursor one line up. Down arrow key. This key is used to move the cursor one line down. Left arrow key. This key is used to move the cursor one character to the left. Right arrow key. This is used to move the cursor one character to the right. Delete key. Delete key is used to delete one character at a time to the right of the cursor. To remove multiple characters, you need to press the key multiple times. Backspace key. Backspace key is a key which is used to delete one character at a time to the left of the cursor. To remove multiple characters, you keep pressing the key till the required characters are removed. Enter key. Enter key is used to move the cursor to the next line. You can also move the contents to the next line using this key. Spacebar. Spacebar is the longest key on the keyboard. It is used to add a space to the right side. Pressing a spacebar key once will add a single space. To add multiple spaces, press the spacebar key multiple times. Tab key. Tab key skips multiple spaces and jumps the cursor to the next present tab. Stop caps lock key. This key is used to capitalize the letters. When we press the caps lock key once, it turns on the key. Press it again to turn off the key. Special keys. There are some special keys which are used along with other keys. These include Shift key. When we press Shift key along with alphabet keys, it will change the cases of the letters. When we press Shift key along with numeric keys, it will display the special characters on the number keys like @ hash, $, %, circumflex, and etc. Control key. You can use Control key along with some alphabet keys to perform different functions such as follows. Control plus A. It will select all the data in a document. Control plus C. It will copy the selected text or object. Control plus V. It will paste the selected text or object. Control plus S. It will save the document. Control plus X. It will cut the selected text or object. Alt key is also used along with some other keys to perform some tasks like Alt plus F to open a file menu, Alt plus F4 to close an application, Alt plus H to open Home tab. Recap corner. Keyboard is an input device which is used to enter data into the computer. Alphabet keys are the keys which contains letters on it from A to Z. Numeric keys are the keys which contains numbers on it from 0 to 9. There are 12 function keys from F1 to F12. There are 4 arrow keys on the keyboard, which is used to move the cursor on the screen. Delete key is used to delete one character to the right, and backspace is used to delete one character to the left at a time. Enter key is used to move the cursor to the next line or change the paragraph. Tab key is used to jump the cursor to the next present tab stop.